On the right side, inside. No. Same ball. Wow, uy. Get. Nice pass. Ball bugoy. Please pass. Number 9. Inside. Connect. 2-0 in the game. Wow, on the move. On the left side. Cross. Controls. Right side, Kenji. Kenji Lembo sizing up, fading. Same ball. Pangilinan. Pull up, Jay. No. Hey, good pass. Inside or play to Masaya. No, tabigan. Kay Kenji. Deny. Same ball. Pangilinan. On the move. Pangilinan. Hey. Takes in 3. No. Number 18, Felicita. No. RJ on the move. Inside pass. Good play. 4-0. Foul. Inside. No. Number 9, 3. No. Foul on the move. Siding up. Oh, traveling violation. Good one. Left side, number 10. Masaya to number 9. Puts it in. 6-0 run for the last 4 minutes. Pangilinan for 3. No. Hey, on the glass. Kenji controls the ball. Kenji on the move. On the left side, number 21, Luzan Nali. No. Number 9. 3. Good ball. To Nyox. Nyox inside to RJ. RJ, pasa kay Masaya. That's 3 seconds violation. Labas. Oh! Good catch. 2-6. 2-6. Inside spin, York. Oh! No, tapigan. Ganito, kanya ulit. Wala. Ayun na. There's a foul. Reaching foul. Pangilinan. Graduate. Joke. Three. Ay, hindi pala ito. Oh, ang tuloy na, no? O, bawa na mo. Right. Galing, ha? Kumakana, ha? 2 free throws para kay Popao, using his quickness to take advantage. First throw. Nothing good. Second throw. Ready jumper. Change board. 6-3. Labak pa rin ang opensa ng Tatlo. Side ball. On the right side. Inside. Give it back to number 9 to RJA. Connects in the middle. 8-3. Paupao on the move. On the left side, Kenji, east side, takes it. 5-8. On the move by number 9. Oh! Up and under, no. Number 9 controls to Black Ranger, inside. To Yok, sidling up. Up is creating separation. Number 9 is there. Number 9 spin, no. Steps in the line. Same ball. Last 3 minutes. RJ on the move, no. Right side for 3-point play. No color. Nyok on the move. Black Ranger inside to Masaya. Masaya dropping the ball. No. RJ is there. Back to Masaya. Masaya inside to create a foul. That took him for free throw lane. First throw for Masaya. No. Second throw. RJ for the rebound. Getting another opportunity. No. Slips in the hand. Last 2 minutes. Paupao on the move. Hinangga. No. Huli ka. Number 10. Number 10 on the move. Masaya. Starter step. Creates a foul. Number 10. Once again, in the lane. First throw is good. 9-5. Another throw. Nabigay. Oh! Same ball. Same ball. And next time naka-community jersey kayo para dark and light tayo. Para hindi nakalito. Last 50 seconds in play. No, oy, faking. Separate, straight the shot. No. Kanya ulit. Speeds, using his body. Pangilinan for 3. 8-9, isa na lang. Depensa kayo. Last 35 seconds. Hey! That's what? Isa lang yan, Ken. Pag na-shoot nyo, labang kayo isa. Ken, inside the ball. Oy. To Brian on the move. Back to Ken. Sniper on. No! May Pangilinan ng bola. Pangilinan, oy. Offensive foul. Huli ka bata. Game ball. Panalo sila. Depensa.